Hi again, this is the second image we're going to be using for level 2 of the level badges. So I'm going to just show you how I'm going to sketch this out as a caricature and then move on to the rendering. It's 2 of 7, so we've got a few more to go, so I hope you're enjoying them. Okay, level 1 render went very nicely. I hope you agree. I hope you've seen the video. Anyway, this is the sketch idea for level 2, and I'm just going to render it out now. All I'm going to do is change, well, obviously it's a different pose, but I'm going to change the background colour and change this metallic look. I'm going to make either copper or brass beaten and everything, so I'm going to change the numbers every time. So this is basically the rendering of level 2 badge for Patreon.